Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you a beret which I was inspired by my beautiful goddaughter here, who wears one of these with great aplomb, and I loved it so much I thought I had to find the pattern. Sadly the pattern had gone missing. Her grandmother made it for her, so I borrowed the beret and I've since written a pattern for it, and I have it available in two colourways. Again, up to 2 stitches before the marker, in I go to the back of the loop, just gives a nice twist on the stitch as you decrease, which gives you that lovely line up. I go through my knitting, my knit stitch as normal, so into the front of the loop, just put the 3 yarns over the needle, knit as usual, knit the next stitch as usual, and that means I have now caught those colours up. On the inside, they just follow through. You will be able to see them on the inside, but the inside is next to your hair, so nobody's looking at that. And it saves a lot of sewing in, which I always find to be the boring bit.